Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can consistently make money with a skill or no skill. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. I post videos here to teach my subscribers how to make money online and ways to improve their skill. So please make sure you turn on your notification to be among the first people that will get notified when I post a new video. So let's get back to the title of this video, how to make money online. So the number one way to make money online is by selling people's products. How do you sell people's products? For example, most of the products you find out there are not actually the person who posted the products. They are not their products. Most of them get this product from a platform, website, or an individual, and then they go ahead and then advertise this product and increase the price of the product so that they could also make profits from that particular product. So I'm going to show you websites that you can get products from. Go ahead and then save those products, post them on your social media page, and then run ads on those products. When you get buyers on those products, you contact the seller and then you make profit from them. Let's check out Gigi. I'll go ahead and then click on this link. So on Gigi, we have people posting their local products. For an example, on the first page, we have cars. And then on this side, whereby we have categories, we have fashion, we have vehicles, we have properties, we have mobile phones and tablets. So if you look at this car, it's being sold for 800,000 naira. If I click on this, so I have details of the car. It's showing that 800,000 naira negotiable. So the first thing I'm going to do is to call this seller and then negotiate a price with this seller. And then when I've come to an agreement, I'll go ahead and then set my own price before sharing it on social media. So it's showing that you can show contact if you want to contact the owner of this product or start a chat directly from Gigi. So below here, we have different views of the car. Go ahead and then save them so that you can have a lot of views you can show to your customers. So let's go back to the front page of this website. So we are going to scroll down. So if you look at this space, we have phones which are available for sale. For instance, we have Apple iPhone X 256 gigabytes, black color for 120,000 naira. So you can go ahead and then save this photo, contact the seller of this photo, and then agree a price if it's negotiable. Go ahead and then fix a price for this product and then advertise this product. When you get buyer for this product, you contact the seller and then you make your profits. So this is what a lot of people do online to make money. The second way to make money online is by posting videos on YouTube. Over the years, YouTube has become the most viewed social media platform that pays their creators as soon as they reach their requirements. The requirements for you to make money on YouTube is by hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. How do you go ahead and then start up a YouTube channel? Just visit youtube.com. You must have a Google account. So the Google account allows you to be able to create an account on YouTube with that account. Before you start your creation of a YouTube channel, you must have a Google account. If you look at here, I have a Google account. So if I'm creating a YouTube channel, I'm going to use my Google account to set up my channel. As soon as you meet YouTube requirements, YouTube will start placing ads in your videos. When people click on those ads, you make money on each click. So I have been able to sign out of that account. So to start up your YouTube channel, click on the sign in button. And then choose your Google account. And then you put in the password of your Google account. After that, your YouTube channel will be automatically created. So the next thing you are going to do is to go ahead and then start setting up your YouTube name and so on. To start setting up your YouTube channel, click on your Google account profile. Then click on your channel. And then click on customize channel. This section is going to come up. Then you can start branding your channel and then fill in the basic information for your channel, and you are ready to go. After that, start creating videos by clicking on create and then share them on your social media page so that they can watch your videos. The third way to make money online is by setting up a blog. You can start up a blog across all categories. You can have a blog whereby people come, download music, read news, or download movies. So you can just have a blog across different categories. That is different niche. So to get started with the blog, we have two content management systems, that is CMS. The first one is Blogger and the second one is WordPress. So these two CMS allows you manage your blog. So if you type WordPress on this URL, so we have this interface that comes up with a button, start a blog. With this CMS platform, they will give you template that you can use to start your own blog with a custom URL whereby people can visit your blog and get information. Let's check out how Blogspot works. I'll just go to my URL here and then type Blogspot. And then I will click on this Blogger link. So I'll click on create your blog. So this blogger.com also provides you with cool templates that you can use to start your blog. And then if you notice, I need to have a Google account to get started with blog. So the interesting part about creating your own blog is that as soon as Google AdSense verify you, you start making money on your blog, because Google AdSense will begin to post ads on your blog. And then anyone who click on those ads that they are posting on your blog, you make money from them. So guys, if you want me to create a video on how to set up each of these accounts, make sure you drop your thoughts in the comment section and let me know if you got value from this video. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.